Third benefit that I can think of with this cashless MRT payment option is it encourages digital inclusion. Okay? Kung titignan natin on a bigger scale, yung move na to digitize public transportation will push more Filipinos to adapt to digital financial tools available for them. Maraming tao ang matutulak na magbukas ng bank accounts, magbukas ng GCash accounts, gumamit ng e-wallets. Alam kong marami nang gumagamit yan ngayon, pero meron pa rin mga taong hesitant gumamit and they want to do the old school type of transaction of paying kaliwaan or cash basis. Ibig sabihin nito, no, we're not just modernizing transportation per se, but we are modernizing the behavior of the people. Tapos, since nasimula na sa MRT yung mga cashless payment, siguro it sets the stage para for other modes of transportation to do cashless as well. Alam kong ginagawa na ng TNVR yan, yung mga card payments and whatnot. Pero kasi hindi siya inclusive hindi man lahat nag-Grab di ba? Hindi man lahat kaya magbayad ng Grab. So iba nagko-commit pa rin like bus, jeep, MRT. So with MRT pushing the envelope for doing cashless payment, maybe soon itry na rin siya sa mga public utility vehicles like buses and jeepneys. Alam ko sa bus tinry na yan before pero hindi nag-click So maybe with more studies and kung makikita na lang yung success sa MRT, baka mas ma-adapt na rin ng ibang PUVs.